In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link bank account to Cash App without Plaid. If you prefer not to use Plaid, or you don't see your bank listed, you can still connect your bank to Cash App by entering your routing and account numbers, and in some cases confirming small test deposits. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that and share a few tips to make the process smooth and secure. Start by opening Cash App on your phone and signing in. From the home screen, go to the section where you manage money and settings for your bank connections. Look for the option to link a bank. When prompted to choose a connection method, select the option to proceed without Plaid or to enter details manually. Wording can vary, but you're looking for something like enter bank details manually or link using account and routing numbers. Have your bank routing number and account number ready. Enter them carefully, making sure the name on the bank account matches the name on your Cash App profile to reduce verification issues. After you submit the details, Cash App may send two small micro deposits to your bank account. This is a standard security check. Keep an eye on your bank activity over the next 1 to 3 business days. Note the exact amounts, then return to Cash App to confirm them. Once confirmed, your bank account should be linked and ready to use. If you don't see a manual entry option, an alternative is to link your debit card. Choose the option to add a debit card, then enter the card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as shown on the card. Cash App uses your debit card to connect to the underlying bank account, which often works when direct manual entry isn't available. As always, make sure you're on a secure network and only input this information inside the official Cash App. If you're unsure where to find your routing and account numbers, you can usually see them in your bank's mobile app or online banking under account details. You can also find them on a paper check. The routing number is the first 9 digits at the bottom, followed by your account number. Ignore the check number at the end. Double check every digit before submitting to avoid delays. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Ensure your account is open and in good standing. Match your personal details exactly and never share one-time codes or other sensitive information with anyone. That's all you need to link your bank to Cash App without Plaid. Thanks for watching and take care.